Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to make a panzanella salad. Now, panzanella salad is great for many different reasons. The number one reason is at its essence, it is a salad that is made so that you can get rid of all the leftovers in your fridge. The panzanella salad originated in Italy, and it was a good way to rid yourself and rid the households of stale bread, cheeses, and meats. So today for you, I have this version. There are a million different versions. So I have chicken breast, we have prosciutto, we have cucumber, cherry tomatoes, we've got onion. This is marinated eggplant. We have fresh herbs, mozzarella, salt and pepper, and we have balsamic vinegar and olive oil. So the first thing I'm going to do, since we have chicken on ours, is we are going to sear off the chicken. If you prefer to grill the chicken, you can grill the chicken. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Now if you'd like to marinate this beforehand, by all means do it. Just over medium heat, I'm just going to throw it in the pan. While this is cooking, we are going to start off with our other ingredients. So what we're going to need is a bowl and then all of our ingredients. I'm going to start with the bread. This is our house-made bread that we do here at the club. Originally, it was used with day-old bread, and then you're actually just going to, the bread is going to be soaked in the dressing. Now for our North American palates, I don't think that too many people like soggy bread, so we're actually going to toast it. And about this for the salad. Right now, we just got some olive oil on it. Maybe I'll put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're going to start on the vegetables. I have cucumber. Now cucumber is one of the vegetables that you will typically see in the panzanella salad. And then the cherry tomatoes. As you're getting the vegetables ready for the salad, you just want to keep an eye on the chicken. At this point, what I'm going to do, I've got nice color here. I'm just going to pop this in an oven. I'll just continue with the vegetables. And you know, all those peppers that you grow in the summertime, peppers are great in this. Onions, cucumbers, you know, eggplant is great. If you like roasted garlic, that's another thing. So I'm going to take my red onion. We have prosciutto here as well. Take the prosciutto, run a knife through it. Mozzarella as well. Some fresh herbs. And I have the marinated eggplant. The next step is actually just toasting off our croutons. So a little bit of olive oil. We'll get that nice and toasted. All right, it's been about 10 minutes at 400 degrees for the chicken breast. It should be ready. I'm going to take it out now. And here we are. So now I'm just going to put the croutons right in the bowl. Give it a little bit of a mix. And I'm just going to dress this salad. So you can make a balsamic vinaigrette, 3 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. For this, you just need to drizzle balsamic. It looks amazing. Now we can just plate. So what I'm showing you here is a portion big enough for 2. Again, make this salad yours with whatever you have left over. I'm just going to slice the chicken. I've got some balsamic reduction. And there you are. delicious. All right, thanks for watching the video. You've got your panzanella salad. This Thursday for our Zoom cooking class, we're doing chicken tagine. So that's a nice Moroccan chicken braise. So we'll see you then. We're also starting on Thursday to do our a la carte takeout, which we're all excited about. So as things are kind of getting back to normal, it's good to see you on the course, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.